In today's digital age, as we store more data in the cloud, where information flows like an endless river, the promise of the cloud is both remarkable and intimidating. It's a space where businesses of all sizes can store, process, and manage data with unmatched flexibility and scalability. However, with this power comes a new set of challenges, and at the core of these challenges is the question of security. How do we safeguard our most valuable assets, our data, in a world where threats are constant? Let's explore how AI is revolutionizing cloud security, making it safer and more reliable. Challenges of cloud security. The shared responsibility model means providers secure infrastructure, but you protect your data. Cloud environments are vast and complex, making manual monitoring difficult. Misconfigurations, a leading cause of breaches, highlight the need for new solutions. Here are some of the most urgent issues: data privacy. In the cloud, data is often stored across multiple servers and locations, making it difficult to ensure that sensitive information remains private and secure. Compliance. Different regions and industries have their own set of regulations, and cloud environments must navigate a complex web of compliance requirements. Identity and access management. With so many users and devices accessing cloud resources, managing who can access what and when is a monumental task. Threat detection. The cloud presents a rich landscape for cyber threats, ranging from advanced attacks by nation-states to common phishing scams. Identifying these threats in real time is essential, yet it remains a difficult task. Incident response. When a security breach does occur, the ability to respond quickly and effectively is essential to minimize damage. But in the cloud, where data is constantly on the move, this can be a formidable challenge. These challenges extend beyond mere technical problems. They also address emotional worries. Every business owner, IT professional, and user desires the comfort of knowing their data is protected. The anxiety surrounding data breaches, the pressure of possibly losing crucial information, and the responsibility to protect user data weigh heavily on those managing cloud environments. There is hope on the horizon, fueled by progress in artificial intelligence. AI-powered cloud monitoring. A major advantage of AI in cloud security is its capacity for continuous and thorough monitoring of cloud resources. Conventional monitoring systems have their limitations, often depending on set rules and thresholds that skilled attackers can evade. In contrast, AI learns from the data it analyzes, recognizing patterns and anomalies that might go unnoticed by humans. Behavioral analysis. AI can analyze user behavior to detect deviations from the norm. For example, if an employee suddenly starts accessing files they've never looked at before, or if a server is sending data to an unfamiliar location, AI can flag these activities as potential threats. Performance optimization. Beyond security, AI can also optimize cloud performance by predicting resource usage and scaling services accordingly. This not only enhances security, but also improves efficiency and cost-effectiveness. Automated response. When a threat is detected, AI can take immediate action to mitigate the risk. This can include isolating compromised systems, blocking malicious traffic, or even shutting down services until the threat is neutralized. The emotional impact of this is significant. Picture the peace of mind that arises from the knowledge that your cloud environment is under the watchful eye of a system that never rests, never gets fatigued, and is constantly learning. AI-driven monitoring is more than just a technical fix. It serves as a source of comfort in a world where threats are continuously changing. Threat detection in cloud environments. AI identifies cloud-specific threats by analyzing traffic and user behavior. For instance, it flags access from unusual locations, indicating potential breaches. AI also ensures compliance, maintaining security standards. Machine learning. AI uses machine learning algorithms to analyze vast amounts of data, identifying threats based on patterns and historical data. This allows for the detection of threats that might not be caught by traditional signature-based methods. Predictive analytics. AI can predict potential threats by analyzing trends and patterns. For example, If a certain type of attack has been successful in other cloud environments, AI can proactively strengthen defenses to prevent a similar incident. Contextual awareness. AI can understand the context in which threats occur. This means it can differentiate between a legitimate user accessing a file and a hacker trying to steal data, even if the hacker is using stolen credentials. The peace of mind that comes from having a system capable of identifying and neutralizing threats before they can inflict harm is invaluable. It's akin to having a guardian angel overseeing your data, always prepared to act at a moment's notice. AI and cloud access security brokers, CASBs, play a vital role in cloud security. They serve as intermediaries between users and cloud services, making sure that access is both secure and compliant. AI is improving CASBs in various ways. Dynamic access control. AI can dynamically adjust access controls based on user behavior and the context of the request. For example, if a user is accessing sensitive data from an unusual location or at an unusual time, AI can temporarily restrict access until the anomaly is resolved. Policy enforcement. AI can enforce security policies more effectively by understanding the intent behind user actions. This means that policies are not just rigid rules, but are adapted to the specific situation, reducing the risk of false positives or false negatives. User and Entity Behavior Analytics, UEBA. AI can analyze user and entity behavior to detect insider threats. This is particularly important in the cloud, where insiders often have more access to critical systems than in traditional environments. The trust that comes from knowing that every access request is being evaluated in real time is a powerful emotional benefit. It's like having a bouncer at the door of your data, ensuring that only the right people get in. Future of AI and cloud security. The future of AI and cloud security is exciting and full of promise. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect AI to play an even more significant role in protecting our digital assets. Automated threat. Hunting. AI will become even more adept at hunting down threats, not just reacting to them. This proactive approach will help to stay one step ahead of attackers. Enhanced user experience. AI will not only improve security, but also enhance the user experience. For example, it can streamline authentication processes, making them faster and more secure. Integration with IoT. As the Internet of Things, IoT, becomes more prevalent, AI will play a crucial role in securing the vast network of connected devices. This will be especially important in cloud environments, where IoT devices often store and process data. Ethical AI. As AI becomes more sophisticated, there will be a growing focus on ethical considerations. This includes ensuring that AI systems are transparent, fair, and do not discriminate against users or devices. The emotional impact of this future is one of excitement and optimism. It's a future where businesses can innovate without fear, where users can trust that their data is safe, and where the digital sky is a place of opportunity rather than risk. Conclusion: the true strength of AI and cloud security goes beyond its technical features. It also provides a sense of emotional reassurance. It acts as a protective barrier for our digital assets, a guiding light through the intricacies of the cloud, and a collaborator in creating a future where trust and security are intertwined. The path to a secure cloud future is a continuous journey, with AI at the forefront. As we keep pushing the boundaries of innovation, let's welcome both the emotional and technical advantages that AI offers in cloud security. In this digital landscape, data is the new gold, and safeguarding it is not just essential. It's a shared responsibility we all must uphold. Stay ahead with AI and cloud security. Subscribe for more insights. Check the link in the description box.